Lardon Truck. I don't know if you guys can see, it actually has bacon on it, and let me just read to you what it says. 3 words: bacon, bacon, bacon. If you love bacon, you will love the Lardon Truck. This truck makes any bacon recipe sizzle. Best eat the Lardon BLT. I love bacon. There's a whole truck dedicated to bacon. Speechless. This is the Baco Taco, which is a taco shell made of bacon. And then there's grits, melted cheddar cheese, and then a horseradish sour cream sauce. This is like, yeah, the guy who came up with this has a very dirty, dirty food mind. Okay, I'm almost scared to eat it.
Okay, I want Swiss charm and on your mark. Okay.
Warren's lady is living alongside wild cat boy in the iron cap right there.
This is ridiculous. I can taste everything: the cheddar, the grits, the bacon, the sour cream, horseradish sauce. It's all like amazing. I mean, you probably wouldn't want to eat this more than once a year, because God knows how many calories are in it, but it's freaking delicious. These are bacon pancakes with bourbon bacon maple
July
syrup.
25th to the 29th.
This is a big bite I'm gonna take.
Everything ready? Yeah, it's kind of nerve-wracking. We were like expecting to do this
Ridiculous.
so soon.
And this is
Probably
like
trying to do it
so
maybe in 2
perverted
years,
and
but
so good.
We're ahead of schedule.
Alright, I gotta go because I gotta eat these.
Yeah. Otherwise, I